Welcome to Zintel. In this video, we'll explore the functionalities available to vendors. First, you need to get started by creating an account or logging into your existing Zintel account. Then, enter all the information in the relative fields. Now, you will receive an OTP on your device for authentication of your account. Within the module, we have a user category for vendors. One of the primary features is the Leads Types section, tailored for commercial, residential, and grocery purposes. Here, vendors can select the relevant details such as commercial. Similar to commercial reports, other categories are also organized in a structured manner. To ensure accuracy, users can verify data by searching for specific locations. For instance, if we search for Texas, all relevant records from Texas will be displayed. By clicking the Clear button, users can remove filters and access unfiltered data. Here we have the option to view leads. Click View to have a detailed view with all the information of the selected lead. Click Download to download the PDF report of the selected lead. Vendors can access various features. Now, let's delve into the Profile section. Here, users can update their data, such as point of contact, phone number, address, and even their profile image, ensuring a personalized touch to their account. User can also add the services their company is offering, and click Update. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of our vendor module. Whether it's generating reports or managing profiles, our module offers a seamless experience for vendors.